Last time on Good Taste, I showed you that I made some homemade sourdough bread, and today we're going to put it to use. I'm making a rich, creamy, cheesy grilled cheese sandwich inspired by Sometimes I Might Be Introvert by Little Simz, one of my favorite rap hip-hop projects of honestly all time and easily of this decade. It has some of my just favorite, well-produced tracks that I just fell in love with the second that I listened to it. This project was one of many incredible projects that came out in 2021. Honestly, my favorite year for music ever. Just so many great projects came out that year, so many projects that I hold very dear to my heart. There is something so rich and decadent about this record. Welcome to Good Taste, and today I am making a homemade sourdough bread grilled cheese sandwich inspired by Sometimes I Might Be Introvert by Little Simz. On this record, Simz is not only blunt, but is knowing of how incredible she is as an artist. And you would be too after releasing such a great project like Gray Area. She solidified herself with this project as one of the best to ever do it as an actual album. She not only can make bangers, but she can tie them together in such a concise and beautiful way. But there are other songs that aren't necessarily bangers, but are also just really well written. You get the intro, Introvert, and it is incredibly well written, grand instrumentation, so beautiful. And then you get the next song, Woman, highlighting tons of different characteristics of women being strong and beautiful and unique and creative from many different cultures around the world. She really brings so much decadence to this album. It might seem strange to compare such a grand project, in my opinion the most grand rap project since To Pimp a Butterfly, to a grilled cheese sandwich. But this isn't a normal grilled cheese sandwich. This is grilled cheese sandwich, but taking it that extra step. I started toasting the inside of my grilled cheese sandwiches with olive oil, and then when they're done, I will slather mayonnaise on the inside before I put my cheese in. I'll also put maybe some black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, really great spices to add into a grilled cheese. And what all this does is it allows the bread to get nice and crispy, crispier than it would if the cheese just melted into the bread directly and gets a bit soggy. No, this has like withstanding power. The mayo, along with the cheese, gives it this nice creaminess. The spices just give a whole new depth of the flavor of whatever cheeses you're using. And for a grilled cheese sandwich, this is not the time to skimp out on the butter. You need a lot of butter to make this thing really work. But what I also like doing is just on one of my sides, melting some cheese into the pan and giving it a nice little crispy cheese crust. Sometimes I like to put jalapenos on the cheese before I put the bread on top so that jalapenos are embedded into that cheesy crust. It's just delicious. This technique is commonly used in very bougie and fancy Instagram-worthy burritos as well. And honestly, it's for a good reason. It's a really nice trick that tastes delicious. For what this project is, it is the best of the best. There are some incredible songs like Rolling Stone, Protect My Energy, Point and Kill, but I think my favorite is Standing Ovation. And I think this is actually my favorite rap song of the decade. We get not only beautiful vocals from Simz and Cleo Sol, a multi-phase song that has this wonderfully elegant switch up at the end, but also at the beginning, this big, huge production that immediately starts. It does not let you breathe until you get into the interlude sections of the song. It is really beautiful. And it's really Simz looking at people in her position who seem to want applause and crave it and asking, what is the point? But then conflicting that with her own desires. It's really a great, incredibly produced song. I cannot recommend that one enough. And if you enjoy that, honestly, I think it details the themes of this album and the big, loud, grand, sometimes hard-hitting production with the strings and the lushness. I think if you like both of those littered throughout this track, you're gonna love this entire album. It is so well made. It's so buttery, flaky, cheesy, and when you do like the olive oil to toast the inside, it allows it to not just get all soggy with the cheese being melted and the butter being melted, and the butter like goes through all the bread. It's so delicious. And then the mayo on the inside gives it a nice creaminess. It's real like rich and decadent. And then the cheesy crust is incredible. It's also getting me really excited for Lotus, which comes out very, very soon, depending on when I upload this. Maybe this isn't the last time that Little Simz will be featured on Good Taste. Anyways, Little Simz, grilled cheese, listen to that, eat this, you'll have good taste. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye.